Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the major high impact news is at 7 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. So be cautious around these times, since this could be a high spread time. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the low, the price retraced back and reacted from this zone, which had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This gave us a bullish push into the market. So currently the bias of the market is still not clear in monthly, so let's move to the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart, and we can clearly see that the price had swept the previous swing and it is moving into the upside direction. So most likely we are going to take this equal high right here. But for the better picture, let's move to the dailies. So this is the daily chart we are having, and the price had reacted from this unmitigated zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below this candle right here. Rather, we are moving into the upside direction. So if we are going to move into the downward direction, I'll be anticipating this bullish order flow to break. So let's move to the 1 hours directly. So this is the 1 hour chart, and we can clearly see that we are having this unmitigated POI, which was followed by that order flow right there into the higher time frames. So if we are going to break the order flow into the 1 hours, most likely we are going to go below, otherwise we are going to go up. So why have I marked this? So we are having equal lows right at this zone, and we are having this high which was unmitigated by the price, but the price is currently moving into the upside direction. So if we are going to break this high, most likely we are going to go into the upside direction. And this zone right here, we can see that the price had reacted from this FVG right here. So most likely the price is still respecting this FVG and we are not going to move into the downward direction. So let's move to the 15 minutes directly. So this is the 15-minute chart, and the price is moving into the upside direction following this order flow right here. So if we are going to take the Asia high and move below, most likely we are going to respect this order flow, and if we are going to break this order flow, the price had to take all these equal lows accumulated right below it. Otherwise, we are going to target this POI of the higher time frame right here. So currently, what do we have? We are having this Asia high. So if we are not going to sweep the Asia high and move into the downward direction, we are going to target this higher time frame POI right here. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.